Hello everyone, it's Carly from the Essa Public Library, and I'm here to give you another bedtime story time. So grab your stuffy, and I hope you're in your pajamas. We're ready to get started. We're going to start with our hello song, so can we do a little clap together, and we'll clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we clap and sing hello. Good job. And now we're going to stomp our feet. Can you stomp your feet along with me? We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we stomp and sing hello. And now we're going to wave hello to our friends, or maybe you want to wave hello to your teddy. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and sing hello. Hello, everyone. The first thing we're going to do is open our hands up wide. Show me all of your fingers. And then we're going to shut them tight. And then open them wide and shut them tight. Good work. If you know this song, sing with me. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Then creep them, slowly creep them right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Don't let those fingers in. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a great big squeeze. Give your stuffy a big hug. Open them, shut them, open and shut them. Glue them to your knees, knees, knees. Good job. Now grab your little teddy's arm and see if we can go for a walk around the garden. Or you can do it with your finger too. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle you under there. And now we're going to do the other hand. Get your paw out. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle you under there. Is your teddy giving you a good tickle? Now we're going to go round the haystack up top. Round and round the haystack goes a little mousey. One step, two step, in his little housey. Did that mousey give you a tickle too? Good job. Next, we're going to sing our roly-poly song. So if you want, you can roll your teddy's arms, or you can roll your arms and sing along with me. Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, down, down, down. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, out, out, out. Out, out, out. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, in, in, in. In, in, in. Roly-poly, roly-poly, fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Roly-poly, roly-poly, loud, loud, loud. Loud, loud, loud. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, shh, 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 shh. That was some great singing, everyone. And now that we're all quiet, I think we're ready for our story. Tonight's story is called Everyone is Yawning by Anita Bijsterbosch. The kitten is yawning. Oh, it's tired. Can you see? Look at that kitten. Yawning. Oh my goodness, look at how big that kitten's mouth is. The snake is yawning too. Do you remember what sound a snake makes? What a funny tongue this snake has when he yawns. The raccoon is tired. Oh yes, look at that raccoon yawn. Whoa, look at all the teeth. The bunny is yawning very quietly. Shh, bunnies are so quiet. Oh, look at those bunny rabbit teeth. What animal have we got here, my friends? A little piggy. Oink, oink, oink. The piggy is yawning noisily. It grunts a bit. Can you grunt like a pig? The piggy is very tired. Yawn. The crocodile shows all its teeth when it yawns. And there are a lot of them. Are you ready for this one, my friends? Whoa, look at all the teeth in that crocodile's mouth. What a big yawn. And the hippo yawns too. 3 times. Let's count together. Oh, his mouth is stuck. 1, 2, 3. Big yawns from the hippo. Off to bed now, Arctic fox. Can you see the Arctic fox yawning? Look at this beautiful fox. Yawn. Are you yawning at home too? This makes me want to yawn. The turtle yawns very slowly. The turtle is ready for bed. Let's have a very slow yawn. No teeth from the turtle. And the little child? Is the little child going to bed too? Oh yes, one more yawn and off to sleep. Oh, look at the little teeth. Are you yawning too, my friends? That's the end of my yawning book. I've got a few more songs for us to sing before we go to bed. We're going to start by putting our hands up high. Can you reach up high with your hands? Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows to the front, put your elbows to the back, put your elbows to the side and quack, quack, quack. Did I hear some little ducks? Let's sing that song one more time. I want to hear my ducks quacking. Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows to the front, put your elbows to the back, put your elbows to the side and quack, quack, quack. Good quacking, little ducklings. That was great. Now we're going to sing a song for our teddy bear. So hold on to your stuffy and pretend it's a teddy for this song. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn out the light. Teddy bear, say good night. Say good night to your little teddy. And we're going to sing one more lullaby for our teddy so you can lay them down nice and comfortable. And for this song, We need to be able to make a diamond with our fingers. Can you make your fingers like this? Good job. We're going to start off with some twinkling stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Is your teddy bear asleep? Good singing, everyone. It's time for us to sing goodbye now, so we're going to put our hands together for this song. Put your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands together and clap with me. Hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands together and happy be. Let's wave goodbye to everyone. Let's wave goodbye to everyone. Let's wave goodbye to everyone. And we'll all see you another day. We'll all see you another day. Thanks for joining me tonight, my friends. I hope you have sweet dreams, and we'll see you again. Bye.